So the TikTok will review my application for TikTok seller. Our application is good. Hello my friend. So welcome back to my channel and welcome back. So in this video is I will teach you on how to apply a TikTok seller. Ayan. If you are there in this video, then you want to know how to apply a TikTok seller. So in this video is good for you. Gas station, sit back and relax. Then I will teach you on how to apply a TikTok seller. So before we apply a TikTok sellers, there's requirements that TikTok need on you. So the first one is our BIR, the most important. The BIR is consist of online seller, okay, and your name and online sellers BIR form. Then the second one is our ID. So that was the two things that important if you want to apply a TikTok seller. Kaya before we apply a TikTok seller, take note that you have must to important things or requirements on TikTok, which is the BIR and the ID or any valid government ID. Then if you have those two, then you can apply. Start apply and watch this tutorial until the end. Then this is the full tutorial on how to do that, my friend. So here's the steps on how to do that. So hello my friend. So here we go to our TikTok account. So if you don't have any TikTok account, so just create a TikTok account and download it into our Play Store. So this is my TikTok, and first thing is we will go to our profile. So just tap the profile at the right corner of our TikTok. So here in our profile account, so this is my dashboard and my profile. So I have a affiliate in my TikTok account. So if you want to buy any something that you like in my store, so just search in the search bar below James K movie. So that's my affiliate account in my TikTok. So for now on, we will go to our TikTok studio. And here in our TikTok studio, and how to apply in our TikTok seller. So we will find our TikTok shop. So the TikTok shop is here. So that's the TikTok shop for seller. So the TikTok shop for creator it's for affiliate, and TikTok shop for seller is for our seller. Then the other one, so just tap the seller, TikTok for seller shop, and here our TikTok shop. So we will log in our account. So we will log in our phone number and also our password. So if you want to direct, so just tap the sign up with TikTok account if you want to direct in our TikTok. So for me, I went to tap this sign up with TikTok account. So we will direct to our TikTok account. So this is the authorization. So we will authorize our TikTok and to TikTok shop. So tap the continue if you want to continue. Okay, so tap the continue. So make sure that you will on the features of our TikTok below. Then here's our informations that we will to fill up. So make sure that you fill up correctly, especially the BIR information. So if you want to create a BIR, so go to BIR and apply for online seller. Okay, so individual, whole and partnership. So depended on you. So TikTok shop, TikTok name, then what TikTok categorize that you want to sell in TikTok. So there's many more. For me, I will choose home supplies. So depend on you what type of categorize you will choose. Then first is we will create our shop name. So shop name is the very important. Then the second one is the type of identification. But first we will to check our agree and terms and condition on TikTok shop. So choose the identification ID that you want. So that's many more. So which valid ID? So choose. So for me, I will choose driver's license. So that's the example of driver's license. So tap plus button if you want to add your driver's license. Okay? So the first important things is the our BIR. So we'll tap the BIR button that make sure that your BIR information or form is registered. Okay, so just tap the plus button and upload it. And also don't forget to create or to fill up your email address and verified it using your code. Okay, so fill up this whole information. Then if you finish fill up, then you can tap submit. Then here's the full information that I provided. Then tap confirm if it's okay. So here's the application reviewing, so that TikTok will review my application for TikTok seller. So we will wait up to 24 hours or 48 hours to review the TikTok our application is good in her seller. So go to our TikTok shop now. So go to our TikTok shop now. Then we will go to our TikTok shop dashboard. Okay, so just tap open. So take note that you have TikTok shop right now, but it is a trial, or this is a trial because TikTok shop will review your informations that you submit before. Then if it's okay, then TikTok will agree. If not, then TikTok will reject your application. Okay, so as you can see, it's pending. Then we will wait up to 48 hours or 24 hours to depend on how long the TikTok will review our information. So this is how to create TikTok account, TikTok shop seller. So thank you, and I hope I will help you in this small tutorial. So this is how to create a TikTok shop. So thank you very much for watching my videos, my friend. So here's 48 hours that TikTok will review our information. So it up to 2 days or 1 day. So depending on how TikTok far. Okay, so we will back to our account. So this is how we create, my friend. So thank you for my videos and watching my videos. So thank you very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe if I help you with this video, my friend. So thank you very much. So this is the end of our video, my friend. And I hope you like this video, and I hope I help you with your problem. Then thank you very much, my friend, for supporting. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's more helpful for me. And thank you very much, my friend, and see you soon to my next video. And God bless.